A YouTube DIY studio kit for under 500 Rand. Is that even possible? So guys, welcome back. This is probably my most anticipated video. I am pretty excited to be posting this video. This video is all about a budget studio lighting kit for YouTube. This is a video that I've wanted to shoot probably about 2 weeks ago, because that's when I made these lights, but yeah, things just got in the way, but I am getting to it now. So what I wanted to tell and share with creators in South Africa is the fact that you can make yourself a DIY lighting setup. It doesn't require you to get the expensive setups that when I was doing research, you know, those things could range anything from about 1,500 Rand and up. And especially in the YouTube creator space, we are very limited, or not limited, I would say, for those of us who are doing it as a hobby. It is quite expensive to spend that amount of money on a lighting setup when there's other gear, or more important gear, that we do need to sort of focus on getting. So for me, the biggest thing was, or the biggest challenge was the fact that my time during the day I spend at my day job, and then also on weekends I spend time with my kids and my wife. So my time was very limited during the day, and my main source of light that is really a good source of light, which all creators who are still fairly small and who are constrained in terms of budget should use, which is daylight, which is sunlight. And you will always hear creators say, or YouTubers say, use your window light, use natural light to light your scenes. But for me in particular, it was difficult, because the best time for me to shoot video, the best time for me to do content is in the evenings, when I have quiet time and when I have time to myself. So that was a real dilemma that I needed to work around. So even though equipment and things was important for me, lighting was just as important. So my objective was to firstly research and look around what lights were available, but then also to see what I could possibly do myself. So the only things I really had to purchase to make this kit, and it's two kit lights that I was able to make, was basically a 10-watt LED spotlight. The other things were small things that I needed to buy, which was a light switch, connector blocks, some insulation tape, and then some wire. And both the lights and all of those small items, which are linked down in the description below, were all below 500 Rand. The longest part of setting this whole thing up, or making this light, was probably cutting out the cardboard. And the cardboard was something that didn't even cost me anything. I managed to cut out dimension on a piece of cardboard to make a dome for my light, and that was just to give it some more direction. And in that dome I managed to put some foil inside. They just lay it with foil so that it deflects the light outward. Now this is what my scene would look like with both lights off. So I'll switch my fill light off first, which is on my right hand side, and then I'll switch my key light off, which is on my left hand side over here. So this is what it would basically look like if I didn't have any lights. And then if I switch both lights on, this is what it looks like. So you can really see what difference it makes with having these types of lights, and it can really be inexpensive. You don't have to spend the 2,500 Rands or whatever the price is for a lighting kit. And just to give you an idea of what it looks like, here's some B-roll to show you what the light looks like. See, it's not the best type of job. Like I said, I'm not the best DIY person, but it works and it's fulfilling its purpose. It's not necessarily something that I'll take out anywhere else, but this is typically for my home studio. Some of the other items that I used were all recyclable stuff, so like the boxes I mentioned earlier. That was something I recycled. I had 2 old tripod stands for my camera where the quick release plates were missing, and I couldn't really make use of these tripods, but I managed to secure these lights with cable ties to these tripods, and I'm actually utilizing them now as my light stands on a permanent basis. So I hope you found this video useful. I'm going to link all of the links in the description for you to check out. I just really wanted to share this with you because I was really excited about what I was able to create. It means now that I can push out more videos on a weekly basis. My goal for this year is to get to 100 videos before the end of the year, which means that I need to put 2 to 3 videos out per week, and I'm really pushing myself to do that. And with having this kit made, it really is going to help me with shooting at night and being able to edit and being able to upload my videos. So I really appreciate you watching, and please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like more information, if I wasn't maybe that clear on exactly how I made the lighting, please drop a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to respond to you and tell you exactly in detail what I did. But please engage with me in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to be notified of videos that I do post on a weekly basis. Like I said, either 2 or 3 videos per week, and I really hope to see you guys back on this channel. So just keep creating, guys, and I hope to see you back on my channel soon. If you would like to see more content like this, where I am giving sort of practical tips, please let me know. And here's a bonus tip for those of you who stuck around. The important thing to remember with lighting is the fact that especially when you're making a DIY setup, that you need to diffuse your light, whether you're diffusing it with a pillowcase or whether you're diffusing it with a piece of old shower curtain, whatever it is, you need to have your light diffused. And what I do mean by diffused is that you need to have something to sort of soften the light a bit. So if I were to give you an example, if I were to take away the diffusion of my light, can you see how harsh the light is and the shadow that it's creating at the back there? So that's something that I also didn't know, and some practical tips that I hope that you will take away from this is that you need to diffuse your light in order to get a good soft background as well. And this is something that I only realized after making the lights. I thought that making the lights was the end of it, but basically you see once I've put the cover back over, it's basically softened the light up. You don't see that harsh shadow which was behind me. So that's just a bonus tip for all of you who are going to undertake to make your own lighting kit. And yeah, I hope to see you back soon. Peace.